Greetings, everyone. I'm Eric Hong, Executive Director of the Momiji Healthcare Society. I'm here again to speak to the residents of our Momiji Seniors residents as well as their family. We're talking in the context of the COVID-19 pandemic that is happening all around the world now. Let me ask you a question. When is doing the unreasonable necessary? The answer is when lives are at stake. We live in Canada, a free country. Momiji is dedicated to promoting respect, dignity, and independence for our seniors. But we are unreasonably asking you to temporarily tolerate some inconveniences because they are necessary to help keep everybody safe. At this time, we are asking all the tenants of Momiji Seniors residents to stay in at your apartment and do not go out. Asking you to not socialize with others unless it is unavoidable. And we are asking you to keep your family from visiting no more than once a week. And to connect with your family instead by phone, email, or video chat if at all possible. Those are very drastic requests to make of you. However, we are facing an unprecedented health crisis in the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic. To show how serious the situation is, I ask you to consider the following information. As of last Sunday, April 5th, 2020, more than 15,000 Canadians have tested positive as having contracted COVID-19, including more than 1,400 in Ontario and more than 1,200 in Toronto alone. More than 120 have died from it in Ontario, including more than 20 in the city of Toronto. And those numbers have grown dramatically over the last couple of days. COVID-19 is particularly dangerous for older persons, for those with underlying medical conditions, and those who already suffer from immunodeficiency. There is as yet no vaccine or curative treatment for it at this time. Momiji supports the government directive that asks everyone in the community to help prevent COVID-19 spreading by practicing social distancing. That means asking our tenants to not meet with anybody else if it is not absolutely necessary. We're asking you to keep 6 feet apart if you must meet with somebody else. And we're also asking that you do not have more than 5 people gathering together in one place at any one time. If you need it, Momiji staff can and will help you shop for basic grocery and other essential supplies. Public Health is specifically directing for persons aged 70 or older to stay at home and not go out so as to minimize the risk of COVID-19 transmitting. Momiji is a close-knit community. No one among us wishes to put each other's life at risk. With older persons being especially susceptible to COVID-19 infection, we must work together to delay, if not stop it from entering into Momiji. We are appealing to you. Please stay in and not go out. Don't go out for a walk if you don't have to. Don't go out shopping. Don't go out looking for a hairdresser. Hairdressers and other business are not open by order of Public Health anyway. Ask your families to keep their visits to a minimum, and let's help keep everybody safe. Thank you.